Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Today I am going to talk about an important topic, that is how to get promotions from second year to chief engineer, that too fast. Now, हर कोई डिफरेंट है. मेरे लिए इट वॉज ऑलवेज अबाउट फास्टर ग्रोथ, जल्दी जल्दी आगे बढ़ूँ जीवन में और कुछ करें, डिफरेंट करें. सो फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक मी, आई वॉज सेलिंग इन अ कंपनी जहाँ पर दे हैड बल्क कैरियर्स, ऑयल टैंकर्स, LNGs. सो आई वॉज सेलिंग ऑन ऑयल टैंकर्स ए सेकेंड इंजीनियर, एंड आई न्यू कि सेकेंड इंजीनियर में अगर मुझे टैंकर पे ही चीफ इंजीनियर बनना है, तो आई हैड सीन पीपल वेटिंग विद अ सीट टाइम 50-55 months एंड दे वर स्टिल नॉट बीइंग एबल टू बिकम अ चीफ इंजीनियर. कभी ओनर्स की तरफ से मैट्रिक्स इशू, दिस इशू, दैट इशू. So I knew that it's going to be tough. So I realized the best way is, because some of my batchmates are done, I told them, Bhaiya, promote me as a chief engineer on a bulk carrier. And then it's on me. I'll try to work hard, get good appraisals, and come back on tankers. So I was promoted on a bulk carrier as chief engineer. I did 2 contracts, and then I came back on tankers, and then I sailed on tanker. Simple funda was. Many of my friends, those who were sailing in a company जहाँ पर कि उनको promotion चाहिए था, and they deserved it. See, most important thing यहाँ पर when I'm talking about promotion is you want that promotion and also you're deserving. दोनों चीज़ें होनी ज़रूरी हैं. अब there is a very bad second engineer, not deserving, not good appraisals at all, and if he becomes a chief, he'll be a hazard on ship, right? So नहीं, वैसा नहीं. But some of my batchmates, they deserved promotion, but due to matrix and outer issues कि भैया we see your seat time, it has to be 50 months only, then only will promote you. After that we'll send it to owner. Owner says matrix is not right for tankers, no, you cannot get promotion. So what they did was, they did not have an opportunity to shift to bulk carrier and then come over here, come back over there, because their company had only tankers. So they sailed for one contract in a mediocre or below par shipping company, sailed for one contract as a chief engineer, and then came back, joined. When they came back, they were taken because they had left this company with a good note, already telling them कि भैया मैं वापस आऊँगा लेकिन तुम लोग promotion नहीं दे रहा है, matrix issues there, owner is saying कि भैया he needs to have an experience, you cannot give me experience, so let me go there, get promotion and then I'll come back. I said yes, and then they joined back. So these are 2 ways to get faster promotions from a second engineer to chief engineer. Now always remember one thing, when you think about promotions, you always have to ensure that you are damn good at your work. So you have to be a very good second engineer so that you can start thinking of becoming a chief engineer. Else you will be a liability. And for becoming a good engineer on board ship, I would say go for dreamer package, visionary package, achiever package, maneuvering diagram package, electrical package, advanced electrical package where circuit diagrams are being studied, automation package so that you improve your knowledge. All these packages are available on Merchant Navy Decoded website. Let's learn, grow together. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.